I recently purchased the Paycon Ultrasonic Dental Scaler for at-home dental care, and overall, I am quite satisfied with its performance. This dental scaler has proven to be a valuable addition to my oral hygiene routine, allowing me to achieve a professional-level cleaning in the comfort of my own home. Effectiveness: the scaler's ultrasonic vibrations effectively remove plaque, tartar, and stains from the surface of my teeth. It effortlessly reaches areas that are difficult to clean with traditional brushing and flossing. I've noticed a significant improvement in my oral health since incorporating this scaler into my routine. Build quality: the Paycon Ultrasonic Dental Scaler feels sturdy and well-made. The handle is comfortable to hold, providing a good grip during use. The scaler's tips are durable and can be easily detached and replaced, ensuring longevity. Ease of use: operating the scaler is fairly straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The device features adjustable power settings, allowing me to customize the intensity according to my comfort level. The included LED screen displays the selected mode and power level, making it convenient to track and adjust the settings. Battery life: the battery life of the Paycon Ultrasonic Dental Scaler is commendable. With a full charge, I can use it for several cleaning sessions before needing to recharge. The included charging dock is convenient and allows for easy storage when not in use. Safety features: this scaler has various safety features that ensure its proper usage. It automatically shuts off after 2 minutes of continuous use, preventing any potential harm caused by extended exposure. Overall, the Paycon Ultrasonic Dental Scaler is a reliable tool for at-home dental care. It effectively removes plaque and stains, providing a satisfying cleaning experience. Its sturdy build, ease of use, and useful features make it a worthwhile investment.